Hello, boss. We are custom touch display manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Let's go and see what we are making today. Okay. The 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor we are assembly ready here. Okay, and let's go. This is 27-inch LCD panel here, okay? And this is our dust-free workshop. It's cleaning the LCD and touch screen and sticker the LCD and touch screen together. There is the 15-inch open frame touch monitor. It is ELO model compatible. We assemble here, and then we can see our work colleagues here assembly. It is 43-inch touch monitor. We assemble here. There are 9-inch LCD panel. Yeah. This is a 43-inch touch monitor we are assembly, and there is a plastic frame we are stick together. It is for our automatic payment machine for hospital. We are assembling a part of the touch screen and the plastic acrylic plastic frame here. Okay, and then we can see here our colleague is testing the 43-inch touch monitor with the acrylic plastic frame. It is for the light can be LED light can be goes throughout and look very nice. It is for decoration. Okay, and let's go and see whether what we are aging test today. There are 100 pieces, 9-inch touch monitor assembly aging test here. We are aging test 4 hours in high temperature aging test room. The temperature is 45 to 50 inch. That's all. Thank you.